I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your console and account so you don't lose progress. Verify you're signed into Xbox Live and cloud saves are synced. Once done, force a full power cycle by holding the front Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts down, then wait 10 seconds and restart. This clears temporary caches that block app discovery. Make sure your network is stable. Without that, the store won't re-register correctly. Next, focus on network and profile refresh because the store ties to both. Run network test in settings to confirm NAT and throughput. Switch to alternate DNS only if required. Remove your profile from settings, then restart and re-add it to force a fresh account token. After that, reset network settings to clear persistent routing or DNS issues. Doing these steps re-establishes the endpoints the Microsoft Store needs to appear and function properly. If the store still won't appear, perform a console reset while keeping games and apps to avoid full re-downloads. Go to Settings System Console Info Reset Console Keep Games and Apps. After the reset, sign back into Xbox Live and check the Home and My Games and Apps sections for the store tile. If problems persist, power cycle your router and try a wired connection. Often network translation issues block the store registration. Use wired temporarily to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.